In this course, we will require these three tools. The first is JDK, IntelliJ, and Chrome. Java Development Kit or JDK. The JDK provides the environment to build and run Java programs. JDK also includes useful tools for developing and testing programs written in Java. All tests will be written and run in IntelliJ, which is a Java integrated development environment. It is developed by JetBrains and is available for free with Apache 2 License Community Edition. All tests will be run in Chrome with the use of Chrome driver. Chrome driver is the browser driver that runs Selenium WebDriver tests in Chrome. There are few other tools I will be using that I included with the exercise files already. Those are Maven, which is used for dependency management tool for Java, the Selenium WebDriver language binding for Java, and JUnit as an assertion library. Before continuing with the course, I encourage you to stop, download and set up the JDK, IntelliJ and Chrome. You can download Java from oracle.com. Here all the versions are listed, so whatever version suits you, you can download. And IntelliJ you can download from here, JetBrains website. So these are the websites that are available